have it. The second house also, the lower house, has now been adjourned when Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju stood up and he trained his guns on Rahul Gandhi, saying that this is all nautanki, also bachpana. These are the words that he had used earlier in the day as well, which is being carried out by Rahul Gandhi in a stunt to keep his attacks on Adani coming in. Let me go across to Akanksha. Akanksha, just as we were discussing, now both houses have been adjourned. While the Congress wants the Adani issue to be discussed in the Parliament, the BJP is adamant it should be the Sonia Soros link, as they call it, the allegation that they have made. But what's interesting is not just what's happening inside the House, but also outside, as I was asking you about.
Well, absolutely. There's no end to showdown and ruckus in the Parliament. Since day one, we've been witnessing that Congress party is raising the Adani issue. And on other hand, today we are witnessing that BJP has rigged up the Gandhi and George Soros issue. So the ruckus in the Parliament continues. Both the houses of the Parliament have been adjourned. But as far as the protests are concerned, since morning, Congress has been protesting, raking up the Adani issue. It all started with jackets. Then yesterday we saw the MPs donning on the mask, and Rahul Gandhi conducting the mock interview of the MPs. And today they all are carrying bags with Modi Adani Ek Hai written on it. On the other hand, now BJP is raising up the Gandhi and Soros issue, saying that this is an issue of national importance, must be debated. In fact, the people of the country are quite worried because there's interference, foreign interference. But this did not go down well with the Congress party. They have said that they have called out the bias of Jagdeep Dhankar, who's Rajya Sabha chairperson, saying how can you allow the Bharatiya Janata Party to raise the issue when their their notice under Rule 267 was rejected by the chairperson. So they are not agreeing to debate on the Gandhi and also Soros issue as far as this is concerned, and that is why we are witnessing ruckus in the Parliament, slogans in the Parliament, and now a complete washout today. Both houses of the Parliament have gotten adjourned, and the people-centric issues have not been rigged up.
Well, in fact, do stay on with us. Let me go across to Sabya. Sabya, we've seen this kind of a showdown now day after day, and this is something that even you were discussing. Day after day, we are seeing this kind of a washout. This is the Parliament session. Important issues have been put on hold because of this deadlock that we have seen. BJP pushing for a discussion on Soros. You have the Congress, which is pushing for a discussion on the Adani issue. When will this end? Also, you must tell us which are the pending bills which have not been discussed because of this political face-off.
Well, that's right. There are certain important bills which are yet to hold any sort of discussion in the House. If you talk about the banking amendment bill or the railway amendment bill, proper discussion has not taken place inside the House because of the continuous disruption. See, as far as the strategy from both the political parties is concerned, on one side, the Congress party, they say that till the end of the winter session, they would continue to hold agitation inside and outside the Parliament as well, and they would try different and unique measures to carry out their protest against the central government on the Adani controversy every day in front of the Makar Dwar. Now, on the other hand, parties like the Trinamool Congress, the Samajwadi, they would be raising the state-specific issues which they feel needs the attention of the central government. Now, we had seen that the first week of the winter session was completely washed out. In the second week itself, some days we saw that it was hopeful that the Parliament was able to function despite the disturbances, but in the third week we are seeing that continuous disturbances. The Parliament is not able to run. Today also both the houses got adjourned immediately till tomorrow. Now the BJP is countering the narrative of the Congress party by bringing in the George Soros controversy. Now the BJP, be it JP Nadda or several other leaders from the BJP, in fact have questioned whether the Congress in fact believes in India's integrity or not. In fact, JP Nadda went to an extent to say that India is not safe with party like Congress to be in this country. So clearly the war of words is only going to get intensified between both the opposition and centre, and not anytime soon we are going to see that a logjam is cleared, because there had been attempts from the BJP side. In fact, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju time and again have said that if the centre wanted to clear any bill, they could have done it easily because the centre has majority in both the houses. But they want a discussion to take place within the house on important issues, and that is the reason why the opposition should maintain the decorum of the house. Because if you note that the government, in fact, the chairman of Rajya Sabha as well as the speaker of Lok Sabha, they had agreed to hold discussion on.
Yes, absolutely. There were conversations which have happened, repeated meetings with the speaker also, unfortunately, has not managed to end this deadlock. Thank you so much, Sabyasachi, Niyamika, as well as Akanksha. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates.